Pick up the sound. It is 12:09, November 8th. We're stationary. There's no cars around us, so therefore the sound could be a little more pronounced. This is the sound of the clutch, although as of a week ago they put a new clutch system in. Again, the car is a 2014 Jeep Wrangler. It has 6,895 miles at this point. And again, the clutch was taken down for service twice. The first time they said there was nothing wrong with it. The second time they changed this, the clutch system. However, as you can see, we're still dealing with the same issues. Now, moving to the brake pedal. It has great brake system. However, there is no reason for a brand new car to make this annoying squeaky sound every time the pedal is touched. Whether you barely touch it or you hit the brakes fully to full capacity, range of motion, all the above. It is very frustrating at this point. Very frustrating that we've invested money, time, all the above to buy a Jeep Wrangler, and this is kind of service that we get. Okay, we're going to do everything within our powers to get our money back. If we can't get the service correct, if we can't get a new car, I'm just lost for words right now.